character of a rise. I mean, this was as congested as it's been. We'll just have to see. At slightly higher high, 37. Each one of these, it looks like, well, at least it looks like it, they're smaller. The rise from 92.10, the second rise from 92.20, and this one we're in right now, is it going to be as large as the last one? Don't know, but it looks like it's starting to fade out here, and pattern-wise coming off today's high. Oh wait, there we go. We're starting to drop. Okay, here's what we're going to do. When we get down to the, well, let's see, we're down to 32 only. I'd like to see us come a little bit below this, because that'll tell us where it is we should be getting a position in place if we're going to be going down. Otherwise, it's just going to be jerking us around again, and it looks like that's the case. How about that? Back up to 37 and 37, but yeah, we came below, we came below 33, 34, 33, a big deal, and we're back up again, and this is higher lows and higher highs, so it's kind of tough to want to be on the short side of this against the high of the day today, because it really does look like it's rolling over after the monster rise on Friday. I just don't know. The moment, we just got a little double top here, but we've had that before, and they tend to no longer be double tops when you go through. When we trade 38, it won't be a double top anymore. So we're slipping back down to the 32 support. Rather, we're at 33, which was the prior support, I think. But 32 is good enough. One tick in this with a slow, it is a sort of lowish volume area that we've been in. Although this time we're starting to see the volume happen at the top rather than on the leading up to it. So that's a little bit of a different signal. But still, there we go. Oh, down a little bit lower. Oh, yeah, 30. We've traded down to 30, so I guess that means we're getting closer to yes. Okay. Now, put a sell a unit at 28 below this last low. Sell one unit at 28, and we'll see what happens if we just we get smoked on this. It has been higher highs all, from this last little run here down from the 92.10. If we can get down below that area, then it's pretty significant. I think that we could probably move a long ways, but there's really been nothing in the way of consolidation, anything other than time for the huge rise that we've had from Friday up to today's high. Yeah, it's a pretty good pop, 3+ handles, and maybe we'll get filled, maybe we won't. Don't know. Pardon me. Terrible when I make sounds like this. Right away we're going to stop in at that 38 bothers me. We might get fished on that if we get filled down here at 32. 32 is that group of lows, but just below that is the 31. You can start giving away ticks in such a small move as we're in that it could very quickly, you don't have anything left as a lead. We'll leave it there, and if we get filled, we'll go up to put a stop in at 38, and then look to see if we have a chance to get in again. Okay, we are filled. Get a protective buy stop in above at 38. Up at 38. Have your stop in above. And let's see what we got here. Let's slowly, marginally So maybe that's all she wrote. Maybe we come back up and get smoked on this. Risk in 10 ticks for our first unit here on this, off the high. And this is the high. Since this, I guess we could come all the way back up to that other high that we made earlier. What is almost at the half, 92.5 area, which would qualify this trade as being early. But that can happen. As you know, may well have noticed, I tend to be early on these things. Okay, we just came, all we did was come down trade 26, which is the prior low that we made on that last little run-ups retracement. But this is the deepest one thus far, so maybe it's not a retracement anymore. Or if so, if, you know, it can just come down a little bit lower. Don't know. Pardon me. So it's only a 27 tick rally over the last, 45 minutes or so. Heck, nearly hour, I guess you'd say. Man, for crude oil, 27 tick range over a full hour. Wow, that's really holiday-like hours. Okay, back down to 28, 20. Ooh, right straight through. Right straight through. This is the action we want to see. Oh, right down. Moving down here. Let's see, where do we want to consider? Yeah, I think below the current low. We're already dropped down. Below this low at 18. 18 sell second unit, 92.18. Sell a second unit. And we'll see if we get filled on that. And right away, we're going to need to bump our stop up and actually get it moved down. Pretty much, I think we'll probably be moving it down to the 31 area if we get filled on this. Let's see. And we're going to put the stop for this at 31 also, so we'll, if we get filled. Yeah, this is good. Only that marginal overlap at the beginning of this, from after we made the 29 low up to a 31, that's 2 ticks, who cares? It's just a blip, and right now we seem to have very little upside interest. The question is whether or not we can stop building below here. May well do. Don't know. So we may be about to find out. Tell you what, bring the stop on the first unit down to 31, and that way the amount we're risking is a lot less. And we'll see if we go. Oh, we got filled. Sliced right through. Sliced. Okay. Put your stop on the second unit. Just got filled up at 31 also. And wow, bring that stop down to 21. Wow, what the heck? This is, whoa, we are starting to get a correction now. This is the first, man, well, look, forget about adding again. We're not going to add again. This is going way too far, way too far. Bring a stop down to, I'd say bring it down to 16, and somewhere in that area. Clock in a few more ticks here. That was really a slam spike. I suppose we could add again here, but beneath the current location. But I'd rather just leave what we've got going on here. We shouldn't get back up above the lows we broke out of up there at 92.10. We are a bit above. Oh, broke again. Okay, bring a stop down now to bring it down to I'd say 09. Bring it down to 09, and let's see. We're breaking again. Good. This is what we want. Bring a stop down to 90 to 20. I don't know, 2 even, I guess. Nice round number to come fish us at. So we've got 2 units in place, and this thing has dropped like a brick through what one would have thought was the initial 92.10 area. So I guess there were a lot of stops elected to fuel our way lower here. And we keep drifting off here. We keep selling off. Okay, now I want you to bring your stop down to, I'll bring it down to 94. I'd say 94. And maybe we're going to come get it now. Don't know. That could be all she wrote for this trade, but I'm thinking in terms of these prior highs. I don't think we're going to see 92 if we're going to continue lower. If we are, then we're getting filled at 94 then. Now the question is whether or not we can hold this lower, whether we go through it again. Where's that prior high? Yeah, we don't need to be at 94. Yeah, let's eke out a few more ticks. Bring her on down to 91. Not sure if... Yeah, if we come back up a trade above 90, which is of course 91, it's going to continue on going higher here. But even still, that'd be a good profit on this. Looks to me like we've got, yeah, it looks like we're going to get lifted here. Whether or not we turn right around and break again is the next question, because we might have to be getting short here again if we do. It does look like sort of a congestive rise, and we just got filled on the trade, so, well, it's a good profit on 2 units. Good job. Okay, let's see if we have to get, gosh, do we have to come right down and go through that prior high, or we're going to head up again? That I can't tell you. Let's keep focused on this. It looks like it's going a little bit higher here, so